Hi, hello. So good morning. So in this video, we're going to be discussing about the what are the importance of Air Waybill. Then what is the role is going to be performing in these transportations. So let us get into the video. The first is the importance. What is the importance? What it has the main the role they would play in this transportation is okay. It's kind of a piece of paper. So okay, what is the purpose? Why we need to the following or maintaining this document or making the transportation to one place to one another place. So let us see what is the importance. First thing is contractual agreement. First, in the contractual agreement, the EV will establish the contractual agreements. For example, already I told you, it's made by the shipper and the carrier. So it's going to be one of the contract. So which is in the first things the AV bill or the establish the binding the contract between the shipper and the airline. The first in the outline, like it's going to be listed the responsibilities and duties for both parties. It includes the terms and the transportation of goods and liability of losses and damages, and the payment obligations. When it meets any disputes, it's going to be served with a critical legal document that can be referenced for courts or arbitrations. The second one is the proof of receipt. Proof of receipt is which is important because confirming the airline has accepted the goods transport. This receipt is essential for shippers to prove that they deliver the cargo to the airline, and it provides the protections against the claim for a non-delivery. Third one is the liability limitations. The way bill is going to be contains the terms that limit the liability of the carrier in case of loss or a damage or a delay of the delivery of goods. That these terms are often governed by the international conventions such as Warsaw Convention and Montreal Conventions, which outline the extend the career liability and then air transportations. What is air cargo playing the important role in airline industries? The first one is the cargo tracking by the unique identification numbers. Okay, they're providing the number of based on with just tracking the device where the cargo is moving, that the where's locations, who is the driver, who is going to be delivering on the time. So this is all included on the bill. Second one is real-time updates. The modern logistics or like the systems often they use the integrated AWB build within the tracking capabilities, providing the real-time updates. The location or the status of cargo. It's going to be giving the transparency of informations the managing expectations and then allows for proactive decision making. If in anything, if any delays occur in a situation, based on which we will make good decisions. Data integration is nothing but it's going to be linking with various digital tracking system. Then, like for collecting seamless data for integration across different stakeholders in the supply chain, the integration enhances operational efficiency to improve the communication of among the parties they are involved. What are the common issues? What are the common issues we have faced? Like the first thing is common issues like the loss of available, like a loss. way they can create complications of shipment that will create the shipments tracking the clients, the processing, resulting in delays in the potential financial losses. So the second correct information we need to find what are the false statements that too. Identification that's very important. So like errors such as like misspelled names or incorrect address or inaccurate corporate discrepancy. Like these are things we should identify. We should ensure these things are correct or not there. Like means we should correct it immediately. And the disputes over liability, like the ambiguities, like like liabilities classes within the AWB will can lead the disputes between the shippers and the carriers. Regulatory compliance. Failure to adhere to the regulatory requirements with outlined in the AWB that can result the customer issues AWB. Like they're going to be pay the fines or pay something attention to the courts or arbitrations. So what are the solution for that? First, digital management. We should tracking or we should maintain the management digital management systems like for double checking process or double checking information. If there is any calls or duplicate information that are there, we going to be double checking information. Then clear liability causes like which kind of penalty I would pay for them. Then I would training. It's very important for the effective transportation call. This is a website for you're going to checking like what are the documents the IAT is this kind of association they what they have followed for the cargo transport the goods way getting transport from one place to another or another countries. Here it contains the documents, rules and guidelines for your reference. Thank you so much for listening this video. I hope you all understand getting information through this video. So thank you so much, guys.